मातशें सांगचें हेचेर की मायकल उरतलो मायकल कितें करतलो
कोण उलटा वतलो कोण उलटा रावतलो
आम्ही बिलीव्ह करून बिलीव्ह इन आवर
काल एक घटना झाली
लोक
काँग्रेसीचे कार्यकर्ता मायकलाचो विजय असो अशें म्हणल्यार ते प्रोटेस्टान
म्हाका दिसता कोण तरी बरें काम करता जाल्यार तेजो विजय आहा म्हणटलेच लोक आनी विजय आहा म्हणतच जाल्यार आमी जिखतले
विजय बराबर आहा
तो विजय दुसरो
हां
गोवा फॉर्ड
सो
विजय
अलायन्साचेर हें जाला पळय
that is a strategy of a national political party to have a alliance with the regional
हां
तेंच्यांनी केल्ली आहा
ओके काल एक हें जालें की दाजी सालकर BJPन जॉयन जालो एंड देर बीन स्पेक्युलेशन दॅट कार्लोस मायट नॉट गेट अ टिकेट दॅट अशें कितें जालां आनी अशें हें वाद जाला सो हाऊ डू यू सी दीस बिकॉज ही इज ऑल्सो फ्रॉम युअर
दीस आन्सर तुका सारको आमचो नो पार्टी प्रेसिडेंट सदानंद शेट तानवडे दिवंक शकता सारको क्लियर आन्सर आय कॅनॉट कमेंट ऑन दॅट आय एम नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ द party where
decision making फाटल्या दिसांनी
Sir, are you satisfied with that old Goa's illegal structure?
satisfied no हांवें तो इश्यू घेतलेलो कित्याक इश्यू घेतलेलो इट इज नियर टू एवरीवन आतां थिंगासर अमित पालेकर बसून इंडेफिनिट स्ट्रायकाचेर बसला हांगर स्ट्रायकाचेर इट इज फॉर अ कॉज इट इज टू सेव द हेरिटेज नाजाल्यार अशें जातलें की थिंगा जमीन खूब अशी धावेक खूब जाण ओनर आहा तेजे कोण तरी आनी कोण येतलो फाल्यां आनी म्हणटलो आय एम रिलेटेड टू दॅट फेलो आय वॉन्ट टू बिल्ड माय बंगलो टचिंग द रिवर अशें जायत रावतलें तें सो आमी कितले वचून बळी पडप म्हाका दिसता खंय तरी हेचेर स्टॉप जावपाक जाय आनी नोबडी शूड गेट एनी टायप ऑफ फ्रीडम टू डू वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट एज फार एज हेरिटेज इज कन्सर्न as far as around the religious area which is concerned in the state of Goa. तशें allow करून पाना
त्या लोकांनी त्या कमिटी ओल्ड गोवा सेव ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन
आमी ऑलरेडी सांगलेलें आहा की तेजेर सारकें म्हणजे पंचायतीन आसूं टावन प्लॅनिंग आसूं प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर ऑफ लॉ हांव कित्याक म्हटल्यार तितूच वचून प्रॉपर प्रोसिजर ऑफ लॉ यू हॅव टू फॉलो whether it is inspection, show cause, personal hearing, and then you can show demolition. After following proper procedure of law. Today they have issued stop work order, they have withdrawn NOC. सगळे उरलेलो आता प्रोसिजर करपाक जाय.
No, but
तू जो तर परमनंट NOC विथड्रॉ करतलो ताका प्रोसिजर आहा आनी तो प्रोसिजर तू फॉलो करना जाल्यार तुका कोर्ट स्टे दिता.
Sir, save
Court says what? You follow proper procedure of the law. Whatever procedure that person had followed to get that license, you follow that procedure. If the license was for repair, if the reconstruction is done, it is a violation. What was before and what is built today has to be established. That's it.
सेव ओल्ड गोवा एक्शन कमिटीन कितें मागलां की एटलीस्ट द गव्हर्मेंट नाव शूड आयडेंटिफाय द बफर झोन केलो जाल्यार हें जावचें ना अशें जावचें ना वूड यू ऑल्सो टेल युअर गव्हर्मेंट टू डू दीस
बफर झोन आयडेंटिफाय करपाक जाय कोणी रिजनल प्लॅन
करेक्ट
रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर जर तर सगळो टोटल बफर झोन येयलो जाल्यार तितून कळटलें दीस इज द प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया अँड दीस इज द बफर बियॉन्ड द प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया. So everybody will come to know whether I can build a house there, whether I can build a cottage there, whether I can build my hotel there. So जे कोण फाल्यां प्लॉट घेवंक येता nobody can misguide them. They can just open the plan or their lawyer will tell them that this is in the buffer zone you cannot build. This is in the no development zone you cannot build. हे म्हाका दिसता क्लॅरिटी आसपाक जाय.
वूड यू इम्प्रेस द मिनिस्टर?
आमी 2022 इलेक्शन जावन पयले ते करपाचें नॉट ओनली फॉर ओल्ड गोवा. This should be done all over Goa wherever there are important monuments आसूं religious places आसूं जे religiously important and heritage importance हे दोनूय सगळे जाग्यांचेर करपाक जाय. आतां मंगेशी आमचे मंगेशी ते कोण जर टॉल बिल्डिंग येत जाल्यार कशें जातलें ते तेका बफर घालूंकूच जाय. दॅट इज अ हिस्टॉरिकली इम्पॉर्टंट प्लेस. दॅट इज अ प्लेस वेर ऑल द ट्युरिस्ट आर गोईंग ओवर देर टू विजीट. सो अशे कितलेच वस्तू आहा. तांबडे सुर्ला आहा जे आमचे, मागीर थिंगा केव्ज आहा हारवाले. सो तेजे आजू बाजून काय येवंक पारना. तेका थिंगा बफर घालूंकूच जाय.
Since you had brought up this issue, आणि एक इशू म्हणून इन्फॉर्म करू, बिकॉज येस्टरडे पंचायत ऑल्सो सेड आणि एक TCP हेरिटेज हितून फायल पास केल्या म्हणून, आनी तांकां ऑलरेडी फायल येयल्या म्हणून एक्झिबिशन बा घालपाक, वे विदाउट आस्किंग द पंचायत एंड ऑल.
That's what I'm
Are you
trying
aware
to
about
tell.
this? Would you find out on this also?
I'm trying to tell you all the same thing. That Town and Country Planning Department, which is the main department which allows constructions to come up, whether it is temporary in nature, whether it is permanent in nature, they are the department who has to say that we want to do the correction in the regional plan, whether you want to do a new regional plan or correction or amendment, तुमकां कितें जाय तें करा. पूण हे सगळे वस्तू जितके गोंयान हिस्टॉरिकली इम्पॉर्टंट आहा आनी हेरिटेज सायट्स आहा आनी रिलिजियसली इम्पॉर्टंट आहा, त्या स्वतेंचेर बफर झोन कितें घालूंक जाय, नो डेव्हलपमेंट झोन कितें घालूंक, हें घालून उडोवपाक जाय. ते खातीर मिसगायड कोणें जावंक पारना. कोण तरी म्हणटा एजंट, आय वील हेल्प यू टू बिल्ड दॅट हाऊस, आय वील ब्रिंग यू ऑल द परमिशन्स. तो मागीर तो घेवचोच ना. तो मनीस जो कोण आहा, वेदर इज फ्रॉम दिल्ली or बॉम्बे or बेंगलोर or पुणे, he will see the plan and not buy it.
पण तुमचे कन्सर्ट
That this
ऑफिशियल,
cannot be
पूण
constructed.
कन्सर्ट ऑफिशियली तो समज तितून आहा जाल्यार मागीर कितें करतलो
See,
पास करपाक?
if it is there within that no development zone, if your survey number is within no development zone or in the buffer zone, how you can build? You tell me that.
पंचायत कितें म्हणटा, TCPन आपणाक कितें परमिशन धाडला, आमी दिलें दोय
See,
दापून.
why there is a loophole in that? Because it is not marked. Why they allowed ground plus one and such a massive structure? Because it was not marked.
पूण हें कोणें करपाक जाय आतां?
TCP, no, I'm
That's
telling you
what
again and again. I'm not understanding.
No, but TCP is at fault now. That's what I'm trying to say.
Serious allegation on the one of the minister and the CM also. What would you like to say about it?
Only CM can comment on that.
मिनिस्टर म्हटले सगळ्यांचे डाऊट
मिनिस्टर म्हटला जाल्यार नांव घेवंक ना.
I cannot comment on that. The CM, he said no. CM knows about it. I think he said like that.
तुमकां
I
पयलीं
have seen that.
तुमकां खबर आसलें कितें अशें कितें आहा म्हणून?
CM
लोक आतां
will
सगळे-
comment if CM knows about
पूण अशें कितें जालां जाल्यार
लोक सगळ्याच
कितले
मिनिस्टरांचे डाऊट घेवपाक लागल्यात, नांव तेणी घेवन आनी.
it. I think Girish should be very specific and tell the name.
हां.
This is what I feel.
So,
Yeah, he should tell.
so there is new variant Omicron, Micron, which is coming. So as coastal belt area, how do you look at it?
Lots of events to be
I think already India has started taking precautions on this, and international flights which will be coming in. All this time there was no quarantine or home quarantine. That will start.
Do you think it is a setback for the Goa's tourism industry?
No, right now tourism industry is doing not very well. Okay, because the tourists from all over India are coming in.
So, I mean,
International tourists are not coming.
पण इव्हेंट लाईक सनबर्न बी गव्हर्नमेंट अलाव करिना.
Sunburn is not allowed.
पूण इन स्मॉल फॉर्म बा कितें म्हणून अशें येयलां तें कितें तशें आसता? स्मॉल फॉर्म सनबर्न बा आसता तशें?
as local MLA, do you feel that some regulation should come, or you will be taking some regulations?
See,
Because
precaution
somewhere-
घेवपाकूच जाय. आनी precaution starts from international borders. Now, where this variant is from, they have taken precautionary measures in those countries. So, India needs to take precautions, then only states will take them.
सर आमी प्रिकॉशन्स म्हणटा पूण एका सायडीन इलेक्शनाक वयता थिंगा ते मिटिंगे जायत रावतले खंयचे प्रिकॉशन?
काल बीजेपी कितलो क्राउड
सो
काल क्राउड कितलो बीजेपी ऑफिसर
सो इलेक्शनाक प्रिकॉशन कशें घेतले? क्रावड हाडचो न्हू, बेश्टे एकल्यान भोंवपाचो.
So yesterday Babu said he is confident of winning this body. So last time we also said he all Bangladesh will be discontinued with the BJP. So are you still firm with your reform?
I never said anything like that.
So you that last time you said no.
No, you got it wrong.
तुम्ही म्हटलं सगळं आम्ही
I
जिंकतो.
said that we Together we'll win. It is time to say.
ते तीन अजूनही तुझ्या मोती ना
किती दिवस लागतील? किती दिवस लागतील?
I can do it.
या दिवसाने
See,
अशा
I don't have a political party.
हा
But definitely we will, where we are going to see that our team wins. It's
Team-
a teamwork.
टीम मायकल
Finally. Political party चे candidate असते आम्ही असते
सर
आता nominate.
सर विल इट बी टीम मायकल विल इट बी टीम मायकल
These are all people's candidates.
पीपल्स कॅन्डिडेट्स बट टीम मायकल ओके
सर हेजे गिरीशाचे जे एलिगेशन्स आहा ते जर खरेंच तशें आसा कितें तितून तथ्य आहा जाल्यार हाव सिरियस इट इज आनी म्हणजे कितलो मार्क वचपाक शकता?
No, whatever allegations he has made, he said he will bring it to the public within 15 days or something like that.
पब्लीक
Means public
डेज
domain.
टायम दिला टू टेक एक्शन.
कोणा कडेन दिला ताणें कितें तरी नाका म्हाका करावं.
पूण हाव सिरियस म्हणजे
आता कंप्लेन कोणें केला ते पळोवपाक जाय.
इट शुड बी इन्व्हेस्टिगेटेड
सर म्हाका अशें दिसता की अशें बीन कोणाक आरोप केला बी ना
See, he will not take a press conference and do such a allegation. So he must be having some evidence. Whatever evidence he has got, he should give it to CM to take a call on that.
तो म्हणटा सिनेमाकडे आहा म्हणून सगळे.
And if there is- if there is really something in this, how big setback could it be for your party as far as the election are
See,
concerned?
setback comes when there is an allegation from the opposite side. If there is an allegation from the opposite side, then there is a complaint.
victim side.
Victim. Being a victim now, but there is a
Allegation.
allegation on another angle. Whatever he is saying or whatever there is a recording, that has to be seen by the chief minister. Party will take a decision on that. See, as far as I am concerned, it is a matter to see whether what Girish is talking has got substance. And if he has really given it to CM, CM and the party will take a decision accordingly.
Thank you.